Hello students, this is Dr. Marlinette again. So pag-usapan natin ngayon yung mga top 5 na pinakamahirap na subjects sa senior high school. So alam ko na if tatanungin niyo yung mga ate at kuya nyo na graduate na or product ng senior high school, sasabihin nila talaga na mahirap yung subject na yan. So nag-survey ako na out of 100 na students at ito ang result. Yung mga graduates natin ang in-interview ko, minessage ko sila kung ano-ano yung mga top 5 na pinakamahirap na subjects nung nandun pa sila sa senior high school. So, ready na ba kayo? So, yung mga incoming na grade 11 students, you know what subject you should focus and prepare. So, let's move to top number 5. General Mathematics. General Mathematics is one of the core subjects of senior high school. Dito sa subject na to, mapag-aralan nyo yung mga iba't ibang topics like functions and their graphs, basic business math, at papag-aralan nyo rin kung paano mag-construct ng mathematical models, formulate and solve real-life problems involving rational functions, solving logarithmic equations and inequalities, etc. So, marami talaga yung challenging na part ng general mathematics at alam naman natin na when it comes to math, Filipinos, mababa yung performance. Pero, dapat alam nyo na prepare nyo sarili nyo, guys, that this is one of the hardest subjects. So, kailangan kayong mag-advance reading at mag-practice na mag-solve. Pwede rin kayong manood dito sa YouTube ng mga samples on how to solve problems, yung mga ganyan, related to the subject. So, that's number 5. Number 4, EAP. EAP or English for Academic and Professional Purposes. This subject is one of the contextualized subjects of senior high school curriculum. Some examples of the things that you will learn from taking this subject include reading strategies for a better understanding of academic text, principles and uses of a reaction paper, paper review and critic, principles and uses of surveys, experiments, and scientific observation, languages used in academic texts from various disciplines, technique in summarizing a variety of academic texts, at iba pa. So marami pang mapag-aralan dito sa EAP. So napaka-challenging kasi hindi talaga lahat ng mga Filipino students ay talagang inclined or in line with this subject na English. Kaya kung minsan is talagang ayaw nila pag-aralin ito because ito talaga is napaka-challenging. Number 3, PreCalculus and Basic Calculus. They are specialized subjects under academic career track and a STEM strand. Some examples of the things that you will learn from taking these subjects include analytic geometry, series and mathematical induction, trigonometry, limits and continuity, derivatives, integration, and many more. So, alam ko napakahirap ito. Sa mga students ko, talagang nahihirapan sila. Marami silang sinasabi na ang hirap nilang maintindihan. So, pag magtitake kayo ng STEM, make sure na mataas yung grade nyo sa math and science. Para sa ganon is, hindi kayo masyadong mahirap at pagdating nyo dito sa strand na ito. And one thing more, you have to do advanced reading and also watch YouTube clips on how to calculate. May mga samples doon and then search in the internet kung paano ang pinakamabilis or proper way para ma-solve yung mga problems. Okay? Number 2, General Physics 1 and 2. This subject is a special subject under academic career track and the STEM learning strand. Some examples na mapag-aaralan nyo, we have about units, physical quantities, measurements, graphical presentation, linear fitting of data, vectors, kinematics, relative motion, Newton's law of motion and applications, work energy and energy conservation, fluid mechanisms, temperature and heat, thermodynamics, etc. So, sobra nakakaloka ang subject na ito. So, yung magte-take ng STEM ulit, be careful and you should learn or read more about General Physics 1 and 2. So, pag palagi ka nag-absent at hindi mo na-attendan yung mga classes mo, sure ako na hindi mo na maintindihan. Dapat you should always be present and also be attentive to this subject. Okay, at ang pinaka-last na top number 1, the hardest subject, hindi nyo expect ito, no? We have Practical Research 1 and 2. These are contextualized subjects of the senior high school curriculum. And mapag-aralan nyo dito ang mga topics like nature of inquiry of research, qualitative research, and also quantitative research. Identify inquiry and stating the problem, and then learning others and reviewing the literature, understanding data and ways to systematically collect data, finding answers through data collection, analyzing the meaning of data and drawing conclusions, and also reporting and sharing of findings. So dito talaga nakikita ko na nahihirapan yung my students just because marami ang preparation in order for them to come up with a good research output. So ang teacher is talagang i-assign sila or i-group sila, and then pag nagkaroon na sila ng group, that's the time na talagang nagkakaroon ng gulo kuminsan. Lalo na pag ang leader hindi niya makontrol yung mga group members niya. And then, costly din ito. Sa totoo lang, kasi marami ding mga nagagasto yung mga students when it comes to printing, yung gano'n. And then, after that, maraming mga revisions. Ang mapagdadaan ng mga students, magkakaroon pa sila ng mga pre-defense, title defense, and then proposal defense, and then final defense. So, talagang nahihirapan talaga yung mga students. Sinasabi na mahirap kasi talagang totoo naman na marami silang mapagdadaanan. Yung paggawa talaga ng research is isa sa pinakamahirap na activities dito sa senior high school na kailangan talagang paghandaan ng mga students. So, yung mga galing sa STE, alam ko na may mga experiences na sila when it comes to research. Pero yung mga regular talaga, that's why sabi ko sa mga nanggaling sa STE or yung mga curriculum na meron silang researches na i-assist yung mga students na walang experience or hindi pa talaga alam ang research. Para sa ganon, smooth yung flow ng kanilang samahan, and they will be able to come up with a quality and good output. Kasi pag nabugbay na yung mga libro nila, it's actually victorious. It's actually talagang satisfying sa ang feelings ng mga students. Nakikita ko yung sa mata nila, sa smiles nila during final defense. So, yan. Yung mga top 5 na hardest subjects ng senior high school. So, please comment nang sa baba kung ano pa yung mga alam nyo na hardest subjects at pwede nating palitan ito, or baka may mas mahirap pa. Basta ito, these are actually results of my survey. Hindi ko alam kung depende rin siguro sa teacher yan, no? Depende rin sa teacher, depende sa mga different factors that could actually affect the learning process. Okay? So, goodbye. This is Dr. Marlinette Urbano Ligas, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you again next vlog.